This is the PBS Learning Media website, and it is just filled with so many options, such as lesson plans and videos and activities the kids can do. So I signed up, and it was really easy. And I'll show you my dashboard. So you can pick your subjects, and if you look, you have all these subjects to choose from. I am going to use this mainly for science and social studies. So I'm going to pick science. And then you can actually break it down by grade level. And then if you look here, when you click on type, you have all these options. You can look for videos, interactive lessons, and then they have actual lesson plans. So I'm going to pick Sun, Moon, and Star Patterns in the Sky. And it's just laid out for you so nicely. You have your lesson summary, tells you what grade levels it's based on, procedures, support materials. These are great. Here's a vocabulary sheet, so that's very useful. And then they have videos that could go along with it. In addition, back to my dashboard, you can come over here and you can build your own assignments. There's the quiz maker, which is really easy. So you create a quiz, add your questions, really straightforward and easy to make. I did a puzzle builder, and this is cute and fun. I think my students would really enjoy. There it is, I already worked on it. So here you have Earth, and they select it, and then student types in their name and turn in assignment. This is what it looks like, by the way, from the student's perspective. So those are some of the options. Go back to teacher view. So it's just got so many different things to choose from. And another neat thing is they can do a storyboard. So you can make a storyboard for them, they can make their own storyboard, and then when they're picking their media, they have the option to use their own or search through PBS's sources. So that's also great. So there's just a lot of different things you can do, and it's easy to assign. And so here's my class, Mrs. Harmon's class. I have one student, my son, and so it's just easy to go through. I think this website speaks to the ISTE standards for educational leaders. Definitely number 1A, ensures all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. And B, ensure all students have access to the technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. So this is a great one, and I'm really looking forward to using this with my students.